Hello, so welcome back to another Organize with me. Right now I am clearing off this desk and putting stuff away in the process. I'm building a box that my mom gave me to put papers in. Thank you, Mom. And it's a lot of work trying to organize and figure out what you want and where you want it, and it's crazy. But it's a not want to do, but have to do. So I moved a lot of the popcorn pockets and just left one. And I'm just literally cleaning off this table. I'm going to be cleaning off some of the other stuff, but I had to delete that because it's, you can hardly see it. The camera angle was bad. But I will be doing a walkthrough of what I've done. Okay, so here's what we accomplished. My table is cleared off. Yes, I can finally cut some fabric. What is still on here, you ask? Well, let me tell you. These are Disney popcorn buckets. I have a lot, as you have seen. And I use these as trash cans. I have insect repellent for when bugs down here get a little over extreme. It's all natural. And it works okay. I have my candle. This has a bunch of little whatever goodies things in there. This is my laminator. I started making bookmarks, and that's what this is for. I'm so sorry, it's loud outside my door. There must be kids playing, screaming. I'm going to put that unicorn spit where it belongs. These are hair clips that I put them out here so I can remember to redo some more. This is just a collage. I need to go through it, but it has a bunch of papers and different things like that. And this is keychains, and I need to sew this. These are projects I need to work on. So I have my cutting mat, which I absolutely love. I need to get a bigger one. This device I got from Michael's. Amazing. I love it. It's really heavy though. And right here I have my Cricut that pulls out so I can cut. This technically will move up, but I don't like it that way. I need to fix that. So I have my big kit, die cuts, music paper, stickers for when I do shows to give to little kids. This is just a bunch of flex leather, I believe, to make more keychains. This is my keychain junk drawer. So it has everything from what I make for shakers versus regular beads and stuff like that in here. It's a Mod Podge. Down here is all my vinyl. And then we get over to here, and this is all tags and journaling cards. Mod Podge of lace and ribbon that I like. Old camera. I do love collecting old cameras. I need to get a shelf to display them on. This is a cute little library cabinet thing that I found. There's really nothing in these drawers except for and there's stuff on top. Nothing major. Long story behind that I'm not going to get to. So these are work in progress journals and stamper things, and then Christmas stuff right here. This is all of, like, there's book pages, there's bags and envelopes and all that goody stuff. These are journals that are for sale, keychains I need to sell. And this is just a Mod Podge of ephemera I need to put away and organize. I need to upload those pictures. These are just books that I use for journals. This is 12 by 12 paper that I like to use a little bit much. These are just decorative. I don't really have much in there except for like projects that I need to work on in ribbon. Excuse me. So these are all of just different. These are envelopes. No, these are not envelopes, sorry. These are folders, file folders, and then I have some pockets and papers and all of this junk journal supplies. This right here is what I'm going to have my, organize my bookmarks in. I bought this and realized it was busted after I already took everything apart, so I'm going to still use it though. My sister we thought this, my daughter and I thought this would be good for my journal, my notebook, notepads, like that one. But the problem is I only can fit so much in there, so I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to use that for. Maybe stickers. This is for paper binding. These are all lace ribbon, no, just ribbon. This is all of my stuff for my shaker keychains that I make, and this is all fabric. So I have little strips of fabric down here and bigger pieces of scraps up there. So that's about it. Thank you for joining me while I did this organized thing.